Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, if you like my reading then please like and subscribe my channel. Friends, today we are going to see whether your partner and your third party everything is going to be smooth or it's going to get over forever. Let's see. The card is so your partner at present is feeling very nostalgic. He is feeling whatever things he has done with you in the past. He's feeling a lot, or he or she is thinking a lot about his or her past. Your partner is actually thinking about you a lot. Though he or she is with the third party, but your partner is thinking about you a lot, and he feels that he or she has missed the bus by moving ahead in life and entering into a third party relationship. Your partner feels that they have missed the opportunity of being with you. They think that you have removed them from their life, or they feel that they have removed you completely from their life. This is the kind of feeling your partner is having at present. Your partner dreams of marrying you because for you, your partner, you are the empress for your partner. Your partner thinks that you are a complete package. You are good in everything, whatever. After your partner entered into a third party relationship, your partner realized your importance and importance of marriage and importance of everything. A family life should be. Your partner is feeling that way. Though your partner is magician, he knows how to handle everything. He is very smart in everything what he has done in the life. He must have achieved lot of things also in his or her life. I see a partner very smart, very smart. A partner is very smart and he thinks of you in a very high regard. Let's see whether partner will leave the third party and what's going on between partner and third party. See your partner at present, I feel I should take it in the upright position. There's a tower going on between your partner and the third party. Definitely some major fights or major clash is going on between your partner and the third party. This is a kind of situation all of I don't know, but something has happened then between their relationship which was going very strong. Your partner was going very strong with the third party, but this tower has come into their relationship and the justice card is saying this is the only right thing to happen with your partner. That's why this tower has come between your partner and the third party, because Lord Shani has come. When Lord Shani comes, he gives justice. So if he has come for the justice, he has come to give justice to you actually. Because of that, this tower has come between your partner and the third party, whoever that person is. See, I see your partner completely moving away from this relationship in the future. I see your partner moving away from this relationship. He or she is not satisfied with the third party, and your partner. I see your partner moving away from the third party, and you see third party just looking at empty cups, and your partner moving out. And when Eight of Cups comes, the partner is moving away from all this what is with him or her, and that person is moving towards what Two of Cups, and he or she knows what is the Two of Cups, what is his her Two of Cups actually. Her partner is moving towards that. He's coming out of this relationship in future, but I see this happening in future, not at present but in future. See, I see your partner going into non-communication mode with the third party. When this Five of Pentacles comes, the person is in completely non-communication mode. Maybe you and your partner may also be in a non-communication mode at present, but I see your partner also going in a non-communication mode with the third party, because there is a big awakening coming to your partner. When the tower fell on your partner, that a person realized okay, what is right and what is wrong. When judgment comes and the angels, God of angels, love of angels directs your person what is right, what is bad, and what is good, and who is right and wrong for for your person, that your person is realizing after this tower has fallen on your partner. And this temperance card, this shows me a peaceful resolution coming between you and your partner. between you and your partner. I see a peaceful resolution. And temperance cards, but even if the person, two persons are in opposite direction, or they are not seeing each other at all, or they are not in talking mode at all, then too this angel brings the two persons together at one platform and one page. This is the power of temperance card. Now see what the third party is going to do. And in the past, when your partner, when it was in a third party relationship, the third party felt like a son, that your like son has come into that person's life. That was the feeling. But now your third party is completely blind, and he or she doesn't know what to do, because that person, third party, is crying a lot at present. You can see so many nine of wands, so many fears are groaning through that person's mind. Third person, that person is crying a lot because the tower has come into their life, and this has made your partner and third person both crying a lot. I see both of them crying a lot. Even they may be feeling that they are facing their karma for whatever they have done with you, because Lord Shani comes, then they may the Lord Shani realizes, makes people realize what wrong they have done in their life, and that your partner and the third party is realizing what wrong they have done. Though they are trying to heal the situation, but they are completely feeling helpless at present. Both the third party and your partner, they both and your partner, both are feeling helpless, and both are trying to heal the situation. But I see both of them feeling very very guilty about whatever they have done in the past with you, or whatever they have done in the past with others also. They are feeling they are every night they are thinking about this only, what wrong they have done with you or with the other persons they have done. This is the kind of feeling I am getting for the your partner and the third party. Will third party and your partner will separate from each other. Your partner and this truth of your partner is going to come very soon in front of both of you and an entire people. What is the truth between your partner and the third person, because you have worked so hard for your partner, and that your hard work is going to show results, and there is a lot of discussion going on between your partner and his friends, or her friends, about you also, because you have worked so hard on your partner. Again and again same card. Just see, I'm telling your partner is very doubtful about this third party relationship, and your partner is feeling very very guilty at present. Both the cards, you can see, both in both the cards the partner and third party are feeling very very guilty. It can't be made up, because just see, both are feeling very very guilty at present. Your partner and third party both are feeling very guilty. I see some sort of communication coming from your partner's end towards whom I like to see. Your partner, just see, 10 of wands. Your partner is completely harassed, and he is really feeling very 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 guilty, and just because of this tower that has fallen between your partner and the third party, your partner is feeling very very pressurized and very very guilty also. See, lots of fights. Again the same card is opening. There is a major fights going on between your partner and the third party. I don't know, some issue, some what kind of issue has cropped between both of them, but that issue is not settling at all, and because of that issue there's constant fights between you and your partner, sorry, your partner and third party. Because of that, your partner will go into a major transformation in his life. A major transformation will come into your life. When a transformation comes, a person realizes what he that person has done good and bad in his life. That person realizes, and he or she becomes a better version of themselves, because the awakening has come to your partner. Again the awakening card has come, judgment card has come in this card. Let's see, again same cards are opening. Yes, this proves that confirmation is going on, that your partner is getting an awakening of his life about his relationship with you and a third party. His the wheel of fortune, because the divine timing is at the work, and when divine timing comes, the person has to go into awakening phase, and your partner is going through awakening phase, and he will come with the ace of cup with his love towards you. That's so for sure, because eight of wands is also there, and your partner is having a major fight with third party. He's going through transfer, he or she is going through transformation, because that person has got awakening, and awakening has come because of this tower, and because the divine timing is come for the awakening of the person. The person is going to move towards you with this ace of cups. Now let's just see what the partner is feeling right now. Sorry. See, I told you now, your partner is stressed so much. Your partner is, if he or she is feeling trapped completely. You can see that your partner is stressed and feeling trapped in this third party relationship. He is comforted only because of you, because of your partner, because of your partner feel comforted. He is very disappointed in his life at present. Your partner is very disappointed with third party, and he is very curious to know what you are doing at present. He is very curious, and he is relieved when he will come towards you. He will relieved, but at present he is very sad. See the condition of your partner, very sad. He is very disappointed. He is trapped. He is stressed. All these cards suggest your partner is not happy in the third party relationship, and he will move towards you. Twice we have confirmed with both the cards, and this third card also is telling the same thing. Your partner is not happy in the third party relationship, and soon he will make an effort to come towards you. Now see what's one angel message for you. But for you, the angels are saying no need to worry, abundance and the situation will improve for you. Soon the conditions will change for you, and the abundance is going to come in, and the situations will improve. But have patience, and whatever is happening in your partner's life, you don't interfere. That will let him or her sort out his problems, whatever that person is having with the third party, so that he or she will have realization, and that a partner will move towards you. Thank you friends for watching my channel, and thank you.